Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up autopay on Wells Fargo, and this will help you make sure that your Wells Fargo payments are always on time. So basically you just need to log in to the Wells Fargo app or go to wellsfargo.com, log into your account, enter your username and password to log in. Then from the dashboard, what you need to do is select your credit card or loan account, and then you want to look for the set up autopay option in the account menu, and then you need to choose your payment preferences. So you want to decide whether you want to pay the minimum amount, okay, the minimum amount that is due, the full statement balance, or a custom amount, okay. And then you need to set the payment date. So you need to select the date you want the payments to be deducted each month, and you want to ensure that it actually aligns with your billing cycle. And you can also add a payment account. So if not already linked, you want to input the bank account details you will be using for payments, and Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your account. Just go ahead and do that. And then at the end, you just need to review and confirm. So double check the details to ensure everything is accurate. Just click on confirm to finalize the autopay setup. And then you will basically receive a confirmation, okay? So you'll get an email or in-app confirmation that autopay is now active. And that's it, guys. And now you will have no more missed payments. So I hope this guide was helpful. And if it did provide value to you, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.